I'm standing out in front of the iPhone Repair VB in Virginia Beach at 527 North Birdneck Road. Phone number 757-285-4085, or go to our website www.iphonerepairvb.com. Just a quick video to show you what we have in store at the moment. Lots of cases, accessories for Android or Apple phones. The pop sockets, the life-proof phone cases, the Zag glass defense, and we also have lots of cell phones for sale. Most brands, the iPhones, Apple Watch, Android phones, iPads, iPad minis. So come on in and check out these great deals. And we're also buying in phones. So bring your devices in and I will make you an offer for them. Again, that's 757-285-4085. And be sure to drop off your old phone, working or not, and put it in the cell phone recycling box. It's the cell phones for soldiers. Again, it can be working or non-working, and it benefits soldiers at the cellphonesforsoldiers.com. Come on out, let's earn your business. Bring your computer, laptop, desktop, phones, cracked screen, water damaged, need data recovery. Need a broken screen replaced. Come on out and let's earn your business at the iPhone Repair VB in Virginia Beach.